In this video, we'll be covering how to use and manage custom statuses, how to require fields for status change, and filtering status change options. Start by clicking Settings in the top gradient navigation bar and you will find Manage Statuses under Custom Configuration. Here you will find the status lists in your system. Shape is unique in that it allows a single record to have multiple statuses. For example, a record may have a sales status and a different billing status. Use case for this would be having a sales status of contract signed and a billing status of down payment received. Statuses and shape are key to a number of automated actions throughout the system. You can create a new status list by clicking Add Status at the top of the page, or edit an existing status list by clicking the pencil icon. Name your status list and determine which departments the status list will apply to. Assigning a list to a department is optional. If none are selected, this list will apply to all departments. When selecting status lists to departments, this allows only users in that particular department to edit the status. However, all users across every department can view the different department statuses assigned to the record. Also set the record type that the status list will be available for. For example, you will want your partner status list to apply to referral partners only and is not needed for leads, prospects, or borrowers. Scroll to the bottom of the statuses to find the Add Status button where you can create a custom status for this list. Assign colors to your statuses for a visual aid in knowing where your contacts are sitting in the sales process. You can also use the folder icon on the left to click and drag the status higher in the list if it is used more frequently. Just like you can set required fields in order to save records, you can also set required fields that have to be filled in before a user can change the status of a record. You will see an asterisk icon to the right hand side of the status, and when you click on that icon, choose the required fields for each status in order to move out of the current status or move into the current status. This will help ensure your records have complete data throughout the entire process. If a record is in a particular status, you may only want your users to have certain options to choose from when changing statuses. For example, if a record is in the new status, you may only want your users to choose from attempting contact, interested, nurture, not interested, or appointment scheduled. Use the filter icon to choose the statuses that appear for the user when in the current status. This also applies to call outcome options. Once you've made your changes, finish by clicking Submit. If you have any further questions, please do not hesitate to contact our dedicated support team by emailing support@setshape.com.